So I found out very soon that our system was pretty good, because I've seen trends going on now in, for example, the last years, it's coming more and more transition pressure from defined benefit to defined contribution or collective DC. So that is what we did for decades ago. Our system had mainly been defined contribution with no guarantees from the employer. All risks are borne by the members. So this is what we did for, as I said, decades ago, and now the other countries, especially in Europe and elsewhere, they are going this way, like Iceland did many years ago. So only part of the DB system we have today is civil servants, government workers and municipality workers, B divisions. It was closed after a pension reform in 1997, was closed for new members. So that is only, it's not a traditional DB, but it's guaranteed by the employer, the government and municipalities.